Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about Celestia, TIUSDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in, guys. The good news: the local bounce can be to the yearly open till $4.84. So it's okay. It's not some crazy pump or some main target. No, but it can be like 125%. So if you accumulate it around here, on the Binance it was the good entry, but this is a intention accumulation pump model on HTX, because on HTX we didn't drop even to the zone of interest. On the Binance it was like, take a look, the listing prices here, October 2023, $1.90, right? And take a look at this one, HTX. The listing price was 50 cents. So these kind of big differences, right? But you'll be so surprised maybe if you didn't watch the previous videos about the Celestia, what I posted, because I posted here. It was the time, the best time to out. At this current prices, at $2.44, the user labs, this one, and all of these investors, they still could be in profit 24,000% gains from the seed rounds. I already a million times explained to you why it's so bad when we got some priority people who get invest at some seed round, on the private round, on Series A, B. It's not a fair launch, it's not a... I understand it's for funds. They invest in startups, so they have to get the better option to in token, but kind of weird. Why we can't see the... for all tokens, the public rounds like ICO, when everybody can just invest at the same starting point for the token. And imagine the price was 1 cent in March 2021. At the top, it was crazy, Roy. It's 20K percent gains. It's just madness. And the problem is, yes, we got a vesting shadow for the Celestia here, the ecosystem Series A, B, initial core contributors, seed rounds. So seed rounds, guys, here, they start distribute their tokens, yes, basically since November 2024. November 2024. So October, November 2024. Where is this one? Here. So they started distributed here. Kind of weird, right? Anyway, the problem is with that funds, even if you track the on-chain, you can track only the information like wallets, but you can't know who stay behind that wallets. And for example, we can see just a million wallets with small amount of tokens, but this is exactly that tokens, which, that funds start distribute for the next 2 years, for example, because this is that tokens which they got at 1 cent. We can't know. So I believe the Celestia, this is not like the last point for Celestia. It can be the new all-time high for TIA again, but if you count, for example, from $2.20, let's say to $30, it will be 1,200% gains. And if we will not hit the all-time high, it can be just a sweep of this actual highs, definitely. So I don't think so. They will dump the price from this current prices under 50 cents. I don't think so, but definitely, guys, better. I recommend you, if you wanna invest at this current prices, $2.43. At least at yearly open test, $4.81 withdraw initial deposit and sleep well. So this is actual highs. Definitely, I think we will come back and sweep these highs. Definitely, just a matter of time. Why? Because I think just simply because the BTC dominance will drop lower, and we can pump higher, because some liquidity anyway from the even the BTC will inflow into a Celestia. If we use the intention accumulation pump model, this one I already posted here, we stop it at 0 level. So the Based on this model, if we'll see some crazy capitulation of the market again, a recession or something, it can be for Celestia $1.38, $1.18. This is one zone of interest based on HTX, and 88 cents, 75 cents. Don't need to scream it's impossible, because guys, even here people scream at $4. It was the last point for Celestia, and we can't drop lower, but we dump it 50%. So $2.44. Now 50%, it's here, it's $1.18. So guys, never say never. Just trade a price action. I see now more bullish reasons for entry, than it was before. It's for capitulation, of course. But even now, it's okay to trade from a weekly open, for example, to the monthly open and to the yearly open. So we can trade this block. We can hide the FIB, for example. FIB, we use it for global targets, but locally, yes, we can trade a range like 480 and $2.15. So this is what you have to focus now. Global target, middle term targets, let's say equal highs. And yes, it's possible to see something like this one and drop to the bear market again. If you believe in new all-time high, you can wait the target. But guys, think about the funds, think about the unlocks, so be careful. Be careful with that investment. Now, a lot of tokens basically in better condition for investment than the TIA. Let's double check, guys, with my customer set. What's going on now? Technically, this is accumulation. This is why I tell you it's can be the good entry for speculation to 100% profit and even to $12 because now this is accumulation. This is accumulation in form of the warranty, so it's a good one. This capitulation and market move. So yes, now only now Celestia more or less okay time for risky speculation. Let's say like this. So direction at the bottom, but without any signals to buy. Like new all-time high, it's possible to see. So let's say here, from this area to $50. If you believe in $50, I don't know what should happen. So Celestia pump 2,000% gains from these current prices. So it's craziness. So it will be like 500,000 percentage gains from the seed round. It's kind of weird. Trade on a weekly, guys. Sell, all this time period buyback, nothing new. Daily, last one was signal to buy here, close position. Now nothing new. So technically, even with the futures position, if you want to try, not a good risk ratio. Under this stop loss 80%. With second leverage, it could be like 16% stop with a target 100%, so 20 or 16% stop loss, for example. Let's say 20% stop loss or 200% profit with second leverage to the yearly open, like this one. So this is the idea for the local trades. Money power, guys. Daily here, money inflow, money outflow. Need to see the money inflow again. So locally mark this block, this low, like liquidity pool target. We will see. All eyes in next 2 days for the rate decision. Take profit, guys. Take profit indicator. This is what I would like to see. I would like to see the test of the buy line. Let's add alert to the buy line. Maybe if we will test the buy line on the daily, it can be the good entry for potential trade. Here, 133%. So it's much better. That's why, guys, next 2 days, I think before or after the Fed decision, right, we could see something like this. Or if of course capitulation, you know the targets. 12-hour time frame, guys, here the same story. So it's like $2 $0.07 or even $1.88. $1.88 here, it's 0.23 above FIB of indentation accumulation pump model. But anyway, guys, I believe we're gonna test for sure the yearly open. Weekly time frame, still no data for take profit. So guys, locally focus on this range, $2 and $4.87. This one. Middle term targets, actual highs. If you believe, you can weigh the all-time high again. I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about Celestia. If you'd like to trade with my customer Kasai or showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.